Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to empty the trash on Android. The process of emptying a trash on Android differs from device to device depending on the file managing application that they have on their device. In this video, I'm going to use Google Files to empty my trash on my Android device. At the upper left corner of Google Files, you'll find an hamburger icon. Just click on this. Now click on the trash button below clean. This will redirect you to the page where you'll find all of your trash. Now since we want to empty the trash, check all items and click delete. Now click delete again and all of your trash will be permanently deleted from your device. Another way to empty your trash on Android is to click on the clean button, which you'll also find on the menu. In here, you can clean your junk files on your device. Just click on clean and click on clear, and all of your junk files on your Android device will be permanently deleted, allowing you to have more space on your device. And there you have it, folks. That's how you can easily empty your trash on your Android device. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.